Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from very popular mobile game called Summoner's War Sky Arena. And today I would like to show you all possible ways how to get Nat5 and actually how to get it more easily than you could think. So, as I already said, there are multiple ways how to get Nat5. For the beginners, I think the easiest way is from the events. Once in a time, for example, right now is the event in which you can get Nat5 monster just for playing the game. As we can see right here, right now, during the collaboration with Street Fighter X, we could get the Nat5 monster for just playing. As you can see, just for using energy, R9 invitational ticket and dimensional hole energy, you could actually save around and accumulate enough points to collect Nat5 monster. So I think this is basically the easiest way for the beginners, for the newbies in this game to get Nat5. Just check out the events every week. If there is nothing new, what you would get, you would like to get. Okay, second way how you can get Nat5 in Summoner's War, and again it's more for beginners, is from the fusion. The fusion portal is one of the main objectives you want to focus at the beginning of the game when you don't have too many of too strong monsters. Here you can see you can fuse warriors Nat5s as Water Phoenix, Wind Valkyra, Dark Ifrit, Fire Panda Warrior, Light Paladin, or Fire Lightning Emperor. Okay, so let's say you want to fuse Dark Ifrit. What, as you can see, is the Nat5, one of the best monsters for the beginners in the game, really game changing. So as you can see under it, you will need to have max level Argen, what is Wind Vampire, Fire Succubus max level, Avacant of course, Water Udin max level 35, Avaken, and Dark Yeti. 3 of those monsters you can get from summoning from mystical scrolls. If you would like to know how to get more mystical scrolls, just check out our last videos, or you can click to right top corner to actually the card that will pop out right now, or you can get those monsters from the fusion too. As you can see here, you can fuse the Vampire 2, Udin, and Succubus as well. Only you need to farm properly is Dark Yeti, what will be a bit hard because you need to find somebody who will find the secret dungeon of Dark Yeti, but just check out the chat regularly at the day when the Hall of Dark is opened, and add somebody who will find it, or just try it for your own. Okay, next way how you can get the Nat5 is Guild Shop. As you can see here, you can find their Ifrit summoning pieces. You can buy twice a week 10 pieces for summoning the Ifrit, and in the end you can get Water, Fire, or Wind Ifrit from the summon. So really, if you have guild and you are able to collect some points, just go for it. It's really worth it to summon those monsters, and it's really game changing if you have already or Water Ifrit or Fire Ifrit or whatever. Actually it's, let's say, free Nat5. You don't need to summon it from the scrolls and try hard thousands and thousands of the scroll. Okay, next way where you can get the Nat5 is actually where you can get the last of the Ifrit. Because as we could see, you can get from fusion Dark Ifrit, you can find Fire, Water, and Wind Ifrits in the guild shop. Basically you can collect the pieces and summon them. And the last of the Ifrits you can find at the ancient coin normal stores, where you can buy for 50 of ancient coins, again 10 pieces for light Ifrit, what is another amazing monster. So just go for it, and yep, that's another Nat5 that you can get in this game without summoning. Okay, and last way how you can get the Nat5 is from summoning the scrolls as a mystical scrolls, warriors elemental scrolls, light and dark scrolls, legendary scroll, transcendent scrolls, and from the stones. So as you can see right now at the background, our huge summoning session in which we summoned multiple mystical scrolls, many light and dark and legendary scrolls, but mainly we made exclusive summons from more than 1500 points because we really wanted to get Wind Panda Warrior. So, and during you can see the summoning session, I will tell you something more about the summons, and in the end of the video a short tip about how to get Nat5 let's say more easily. But basically, if you would like to know how to get more mystical scrolls, you could actually make the summoning session as you can see at the video. Just check out our another video for how to get mystical scrolls in Summoner's War. And now let's go for the explanation of the raids of these scrolls. So, mystical scrolls. You can get Nat3, Nat4 and Nat5 monsters from the mystical scrolls. The chance that you will get Nat5 is 0.5%. What means that basically, hypothetically, you should get one Nat5 monster in every one of 200 scrolls. What I know is really hard to hear and for beginners mainly, but believe me, as soon as you will move to mid game or late game, collecting mystical scrolls for you will be easy, so the summoning Nat5 will be just like that. Okay, another way from where you can get the Nat5 are exclusive summons, and in exclusive summons you can actually choose in which week you would like to summon, and by this you can basically choose what kind of Nat5 you would like to get. For example, as we can see, you will see in this video, this week we can get the Fire Archangel, Wind Panda Warrior or Water Oracle as a Nat5 from exclusive summon. So basically I chose this week because I really wanted the Wind Panda Warrior. So basically by exclusive summons you can choose what Nat5s you would like to get, but still the chance to get in Nat5 is the same as from the mystical scrolls, and it's 0.5%. so that means you would need to collect around 10,000 stones to have a higher chance and proper chance actually to summon Nat5. And when we are talking about the scroll, so of course Fire, Water and Wind scroll has the same rates as the mystical scrolls, but Light and Dark scroll has actually different rates and it's lower, because from Light and Dark there is actually just 0.35% chance to get Nat5. What means you need to summon around 300 Light and Dark scrolls to you have higher chance to get Nat5. To be honest, I believe I summoned more than 300 Light and Dark scrolls already in this game and still nothing, so just wait for it. Okay, next scrolls from which you can get the Nat5 is Legendary scroll, in which you have 6.5% chance to get Nat5, what means you need to summon around 15 scrolls to get Nat5. I know it's still not great, but let's say it's so much better than 1 from 200. Yep. And the last way how you can get the Nat5 from summoning is from Transcendence scroll, from which you have 100% to summon Nat5 monster. And Transcendence scroll you can get sometimes from events and from some kind of missions too. So just check it every week to actually don't miss anything. Okay, and I told you about one small tip at the end of the video, and this is basically it's not gonna higher your chances, just do not give a shh, you know what I wanted to say. But basically I want to tell you from my own experience, as much you want Nat5 you will not get it, as less you want Nat5 you will get it. Basically I played 3 years in a row in the past Summoner's War, and really I did not get a lot of Nat5s. Then I had the pause for 1 year, and when I came back I basically didn't give a shit about what I will get from scrolls. I just accumulate them and then made some of those summons, as you can see in the background. So basically I didn't care at all what I will get from summons, and this is when I got Jamir, Leo and many more Nat5s, which I really didn't expect. So my advice is, do not worry too much about Nat5s. They will come when you will expect them the less. So just summon, just play, just enjoy the game. Don't just rush Nat5s. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right now in the video, we were quite lucky during our summoning session, as it should be. In the end of How to Get Nat5 in Summoner's War, we got its Fire Archangel, but it's still not 5. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. If you liked it, please hit like or subscribe button. If you want more Summoners War video, just write the comment what you would like to see next. And if you want to support our channel, you can become our patron on Patreon link. Link is in the description, and you can see it on the screen right now too. So basically, just enjoy the game, play the game. If you want to know how to get more scrolls, how I said already, just watch out our another video, how to get mystical scrolls in Summoner's War. They are all tips and tricks how to get mystical scrolls in 2020 and later years. And so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you next time.